What's good, everybody? Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna be going over some of the upgrades I did to my Glock 19 Gen 5. First off, the gun is clear. The first upgrade is the Streamlight TLR 7A. So that's the Streamlight TLR 7A. I like the look of it. The light is very robust. And I like the operations, how the light operate. Show y'all how it look on the other side. So that's the Streamlight TLR 7A, 500 lumens. Turn the light on for y'all. Very bright, so it's bright enough for any dark situation. You'll be alright. The next upgrade would be the Hulk grip. I believe I'm saying that right. The Hulk grip. That's the Hulk rubber grip. I like the feel of this grip. This grip give me a better grip on the gun. Better purchase on the gun. That's the back of it. That's the other side. So that's the Hulk rubber grip. That's the front of it. For the last upgrade, it's the Mirror Glow night sights. So that's that bright orange ring, circle, whatever you want to call it. Night sights. Quick acquisition. I like these sights. Glow, nice and bright during the dark, during any night situation, any dark situation, you'll be alright. Closer look for y'all. So that's the few upgrades that I done to my Glock 19. I think I'm done. I won't be doing anything else. Probably get a few more holsters. I could use 1 or 2 more holsters, and that'll complete everything for this firearm right here. So thanks for watching. That's the Glock 19 Gen 5 upgrades that I've done to this gun. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned. Got a bunch of videos coming. I'm doing a giveaway, so stay tuned for that. And just stay tuned. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, y'all. Peace.